Grit Financial app. The pros, the cons. Grit Financial is a new investing platform designed to simplify wealth building. But is it really worth your time? Starting with the pros first, simplicity. The app makes investing straightforward, ideal for beginners who want to start without being overwhelmed. Second, diversification. Grit Financial automatically allocates your money across multiple asset classes based on your risk profile, helping you build a balanced portfolio. Third, automation. The app supports recurring investments, so you can grow your wealth consistently without lifting a finger. Now, the cons. One drawback is fees. While competitive, subscription and management fees can eat into returns, especially for smaller portfolios. Another limitation is limited control. You can't handpick individual stocks or funds, which may frustrate experienced investors looking for more flexibility. The surprising truth? Grit Financial is best for hands-off investors who want a simple, guided approach. Those who prefer full control may find it restrictive. In conclusion, the pros: simplicity, diversification, and automation make Grit Financial a strong choice for new investors. The cons: fees and limited customization may deter those who want to be more hands-on.